With heavy snowfall expected, medical experts are warning people to be careful while shoveling because it can put a heavy strain on your heart. Mid-Michigan Now's Andrea Flores continues our team coverage by getting advice from a doctor.
Dr. Ray Rodoni, emergency room medical director at McLaren in Flint and McLaren in Fenton, says shoveling snow can be just as strenuous as an intense workout, especially for those who aren't regularly active.
When you're exerting yourself and bending over and lifting up heavy objects over and over and over again, especially in the cold, you put your heart at a little bit of a stressful risk.
Each year, emergency rooms see patients with shortness of breath, chest pain, even heart attacks, triggered by the physical strain of shoveling. While it's not an overwhelming number of cases, Rodoni says it happens enough to be a concern.
If you overexert yourself by doing a lot of excessive ongoing heavy lifting and bending, your heart rate gets up, your breathing can go up, and you can actually cause some potential damage to your heart by overexerting yourself if you're not prepared.
Dr. Rodoni says certain people are more vulnerable to heart-related issues while shoveling.
People who are cigarette smokers, people who have had prior heart problems, either heart attacks or strokes, family history of heart disease.
Common risk factors include uncontrolled diabetes, high cholesterol, smoking, a history of heart problems or stroke, a family history of heart disease. If any of these apply, he recommends extra caution or even avoiding the task altogether. For those heading out to clear driveways, Rodoni says, pace yourself and take your time. Listen to your body, stop if you feel fatigue, shortness of breath, chest pain, or tightness, and ask for help if you need it. Also remember to use the proper shoveling technique, which means keeping your knees bent, engaging your core, and lifting with your legs instead of with your back. And if you are using a snowblower and the chute does get clogged, make sure to turn the machine off completely before clearing it. Reporting in Flint, I'm Andrea Flores, Mid-Michigan Now.